keep my mileage up, I keep the speed slow, and it is between 40 to 60, and this is where I call it a perfect spot wherein I get mileage above 12 to 13. So let me cross this roundabout and talk something more about my car. Look at these idiots. So having this car for around 5 to 6 years, I would say that it has still that solid build quality, and I don't fear and hesitate while taking it to my destination. Yes, there are few niggles, but I somehow managed to live with that. So the reason why I don't like to drive in city is because of speed breakers, and you don't even know that from where you get auto rickshaw in front of you. So that's a huge problem here. Like this, another speed breaker. Well, this is important in city, but what is more required on highways and expressway is to lay down clear rule to drive properly. I have seen many drivers, they are driving rash and negligently. Although I have to attempt all of that because I am driving this car, but I would request to my viewers that please do not attempt to drive in such a way that it may cause discomfort to other drivers. So I'll take a pause from here. So in my next video I'll show you that how it is performing on highway. So that's all from my side. Thank you.